Hi guys, today I've got this easy braided messy bun hairstyle. I've left some hair out to frame the face and I'm going to divide the hair down the back using a zigzag part. This doesn't have to be perfect. And clip that right hand side out of the way for later. Now we're just going to do a regular Dutch braid, so I'm taking the slice of hair from the top of the head and dividing it into 3 equal sections. I cross the left strand under the middle and then the right strand under the middle. Then I take a slice of hair and add it to that left hand strand and then cross that under the middle strand, and then I take a slice of hair from the right hand side, add it to the right hand strand and cross it under the middle. And basically we're going to braid all the way down past the nape of the neck by an inch or 2. Now I'm just going to apply some texture spray all over that braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then using your fingers and thumb gently pinch and pull at the edge of each one of those stitches of the braid to make it nice and voluminous. Then use a clear elastic band to tie it into a ponytail at the nape of the neck. And I'm going to repeat the same braid on the opposite side. So create your Dutch braid and add some texture spray. Then gently pinch and pull that braid apart. Don't forget to tie it off with the clear elastic band. Now on the ponytails I'm going to do a rope braid, and to do this we just divide the ponytail in half and twist both sections anti-clockwise, and then I just cross that left strand over the right strand, and we're going to do this on both ponytails, making sure we tie them off with elastic bands. You can do any braid you want, you don't have to do a rope braid. Apply more texture spray to those twists and then we're going to gently pinch and pull them apart. The more you pinch and pull them, the messier this bun will be. Now taking the twist on the left hand side, I'm going to bring it over to the right hand side and then bring the ends round underneath that right hand twist. Hold it to the head and then pin it all the way around using as many bobby pins as needed. Now taking that right hand twist, I'm going to take it over to the left hand side of the bun and secure it with a couple more bobby pins. And then with the tail ends I'm going to bring them back over to the right hand side and then just tuck the ends underneath the bun and secure it all along that rope braid with as many bobby pins as needed. Spend a minute or so just pinching and pulling at that bun to create more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I've also linked my Instagram and TikTok account below if you're interested in seeing any of my wedding hair work.